Hey Millennium Minders, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you how you can earn just over $13,000 a month on Fiverr without doing any of the work. Now I know this sounds a little bit too good to be true, but there are a lot of people doing this method, and I'm going to show you proof in this video and earning a lot of money with this method, but they just don't know that they are actually doing this, as a lot of people on Fiverr don't know about this method. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe down below so I can give you more awesome ways on how to make money online. And what you're going to learn in today's video is you're going to learn how you can make 4 to 5 figures, that's US dollars per month on Fiverr with no skills or experience, and you don't need to do any of the work yourself. And I'm also going to give you a secret software or program that you can use that will do all of this for you, and that's going to automate the process for you. And 99% of Fiverr sellers don't actually know about this, which is really cool. So make sure you stick with me that I can show you that. And I'm also going to show you how you can rank your Fiverr gig so that you can start generating a lot more sales. And the best part about this, you can come into this without any knowledge. You don't need any writing skills. You don't need any logo design skills, any website design skills. You don't need any skills at all. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in this step-by-step video on how you can do this. What's also great about this, those of you that have jobs that don't maybe have a lot of time to work at something like this is really fantastic to do. As I say, I'm going to give you a program that's really going to automate all of this for you. I mean, you can do this part-time at home, from home, as a little side hustle, or as a full-time business if you like. So I'm going to head over to Fiverr.com so I can break down the strategy and explain it to you much better. So when you come over to Fiverr, you're obviously going to become a seller. So there's going to be a button that says become a seller. But the best part is, as I say, you're not going to actually be selling services that you're going to do yourself. It's already going to be all done for you with the software that I'm going to show you. And what I'm actually going to be focusing on this video is ebook writing and ebook covering. As I say, I've actually got a software that's already going to do all of the ebook writing and covering for you that you don't even need to do yourself. So in other words, you're not going to have to make the covers, you're not going to have to write the ebooks, as that's all going to be done for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search in the search bar ebook, let's go ebook writer. So ebook writer, there we go. And the best part about this is you can create 2 gigs about this. So you can write ebook covers and ebook writing. So you can create 2 gigs and earn off both gigs. And you can see all of the gigs listed for an ebook writer. So you can see there's one here, $50 that's got 202 reviews. So this person has made a lot of money doing this. And remember, not everybody that purchases this leaves a review. And this is how I kind of got the title of my video. So if I go to my calculator and I go $50 times 202, that is $10,000 this person has made on this gig, plus probably way more, because I mean that's only 202 reviews, but not everybody leaves a review that has purchased this. And there's another person here that is selling a gig with $150 and they've got 219 reviews, and you can see if I again use my calculator and go 150 multiplied by 219, you can see that's $32,850 that this person has earned with their ebook writing or ghost writing and ebook covers gig here on Fiverr, which is really good. So that's where I get the idea of my title, and this is the potential that you can earn on this method. And you can make a lot of money doing this. I mean, you can see this person is selling for 40, this person is selling for 275, but they are a verified ebook writer. This person, $350, $30, $10, $30. So I mean, they're making a lot of money, which is really good. So like, how are we going to actually go ahead and do this? And we can actually also look up ebook covers as well, so I can show you the potential there. Ebook covers. There we go. You can see here $10 as well. I mean, this person has got 1K reviews and they're selling at $10 each. So if we calculate this, that is a lot of revenue that this person has earned off that 1 gig. So if I got $10 multiplied by 1K plus reviews, that is $10,000 plus, just selling eye-catching ebook covers or Kindle covers on this Fiverr. And you can see they've got like a little bonus as well, and they've got 5 stars. I mean, the potential, this is what you can earn with this method. And what is especially going to help is the software that I'm going to give you that is going to automate this for you. And what's great about this, you're getting the best of both worlds. You are going to be covering ebooks with ebook covers, and at the same time, you're going to be doing ebook writing. So you've really got the best of both worlds by earning. You've got 2 ways of earning through both of your gigs, which is really fantastic. So how do we actually go about this without doing any of the work? So this is a brand new program or software that I have found that is going to do all of the work for you. And this software that I've got for you guys is very reputable and fairly new, and that is Sqribble. I mean, Sqribble, you can create ebooks on demand, and it's very new technology, and it really does an amazing job. You've got free templates, different style layouts, very unlimited pages, many different niches as well, and it's super easy to use. And if I actually come down to more or less the bottom of this website, here we go. You can actually see they've got a whole bunch of already templates made for you. If I come down a little bit more, here you can actually see that they've got a ton of already templates for you. So free 50 eye-catching, eye-grabbing designs with access to 15 profitable niche categories as well. So each template comes with the table of contents, a professional page layout that converts readers into buyers as well. So really professional work. I mean, that this tool or software is providing you already. So this is already doing all the work for you. You don't need to do any of it yourself. And you can see these templates are really good looking, and you can also manipulate them yourself a bit. So you can use the drag and drop tool by dropping some extra pictures, some extra text, doing your own couple of designs, making it a bit more unique as well. So now that you've got your awesomely made covers, it's not actually easy finding content, but that is where this tool is going to come in for you. So all you can do is you can add instant content. So let's say you're going to choose the niche of affiliate marketing. All you've got to do is you've got to go to Google and you can type about affiliate marketing, for example, and you can find a whole bunch of websites or blog articles that have a whole bunch of text already for you on affiliate marketing. And all you want to do is, let's say this one here, affiliate marketing in 2019, what is it and how to start? You can copy the link of this website, paste it into the add instant content section. So all you got to do is you just enter a URL and watch Sqribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content from this website. So it's literally going to copy and paste it for you and create your own unique ebook, which is really fantastic. You don't need to write anything yourself. Sqribble is already extracting information for you from the internet that is going to make a beautifully made ebook. And then once you're done with that, you can come down and you just customize and publish your ebook. So you can change the couple of colors around, maybe some pictures, maybe some text. You can also pick your own themes. You can add and delete stuff as well, change your own paragraphs. Everything is completely customizable to how you like. You can bullet lists as well. And then once it's done, you just hit generate and it's going to publish it for you. You've got your already made ebook that you can ready start selling on Fiverr. I mean, as you can see, you're doing none of the work and it's creating super professional content that is probably 100 times better than most of these people listed on Fiverr already. And the nice thing about these ebooks, once you publish them, it's your own content. It's not anybody else's. The copyright belongs to you. So you can sell them as your own ebooks that you own. So you're not selling other people's content, it's all your content. So you don't have to give anything back to anybody, you're getting 100% of the sales and the credits from this ebook. And the great thing about Sqribble is that they don't actually charge a monthly fee for this software. They only charge a once-off amount where you get to use the software for the rest of your life. And at the moment the software is going for $67, but I mean, you can see they've got a coupon already going for you if you go for it now, where you're going to get $20.10 off, which works out to about $47 or $46.90, which is really good considering if you come back to Fiverr and you can see $35, $50. Let me go back to ebook writing, the ebook writing page, and you can see it's $60, $30. So I mean, if you're selling your ebook at $50, $60, you're making your money back in just one sale. So I mean, you're literally starting your own, you could call it your own international ebook business for just $40. I mean, where can you start a full-on business for that kind of price that you can run digitally and get sales anywhere in the world? So I mean, the return on your investment that you can get with this method is absolutely huge. I mean, you can see here again, if I filter by the top selling or the best selling, this person here that sold the gig here, $150, as I showed you, $150 multiplied by 219, that's just the reviews, is $32,000. So the return on your investment on this business, the potential is really there, and I think it's really, really big. And I think a lot of people don't actually know about this. So it's really a great time, if you want to, is to get started with this business model. Even if you sell your ebook covers at $10, $20 each, all you got to do is sell 2 or 3 of them, and then you break even, and then anything after that is just pure 100% profit, which is really amazing. And that's why I think this is such an effective model. But this is one thing a lot of Fiverr sellers miss. They create a gig and they realize they're not getting a lot of sales because the gigs aren't hitting the top page. And if you go and start this method, the chances of that happening to you is pretty high. So that is where, yeah, I'm going to show you right now how you can get ranked up higher on Fiverr with these methods or strategies that I'm going to show you, or tricks you could call, to really rank up your gig higher on Fiverr, getting you a lot of sales. And you can see these people 219 plus, 155 plus. So starting out on Fiverr is very similar to starting out like on YouTube. You need to use other platforms to drive traffic to your aka channel or gig in this case with Fiverr. So you can use platforms like YouTube, you can go to Instagram, Facebook, and what you can do is you can go and look for people that are specifically looking for ebooks. And what you can do is to really drive a lot of traffic. Like, a lot of people obviously love free stuff. So what you can do is you can say, hey, click on my link to my Fiverr gig, you get your first ebook free, or like 10% off or 20% off. And people love discounts and free stuff. So it's a great way, or strategy, a copywriting strategy, by finding people on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and contacting them and saying, look, I've got my first Fiverr gig, I've got an ebook for you guys. Your first ebook you get for free or 50% off by clicking on this link. So what you can do is you can go to Instagram and you can find influencers like in the fitness niche or diet niche or whatever it may be. So let's just go search fitness hashtag, and you can go and find pages that are doing fitness and contact them and say, hey, I'm looking for, or I've got a free ebook for you guys, or I'm offering you guys an ebook. And what you can do is make the price really cheap, or make your first few ones even free, just to get people to like you. I mean, people love free stuff. You give them something free, people are gonna like you. Or you can offer it really cheap just to get the initial couple of sales. And as you build your reputation or your brand over time on Fiverr, you can increase your price, because you now are becoming higher in demand, your quality of work is really good, and you're going to get more sales, so you can increase your price. I mean, for example, this guy, 5K followers, you can message him and say, hey, I've got a free ebook for you based on the fitness or industry. And you can contact him. Same thing on Facebook. You can go to Facebook groups and you can post in a group, hey, I've got a free ebook for you guys. First ebook free if you click on this link, and the rest are, for example, 50% off, just to get the initial couple of sales. And as you get a couple of sales rolling in, you can increase your price over time. And how YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram is going to benefit your Fiverr gig is when you people want to pay you, you're not going to offer to pay via PayPal. You're going to actually include a link to your Fiverr gig, because I mean, the more traffic that comes in your Fiverr gig, the higher it's going to get ranked, and people will then pay you through Fiverr. And the more sales your Fiverr gig gets, the Fiverr algorithm sees, hey, this guy's gig is doing really well, we should promote it. And that's how you're going to get your rankings in the Fiverr algorithm. And what you can also do is, once they pay for your ebook, you can ask them for a review or a comment, because when you can see the more stars or reviews that you get, as I say, the Fiverr algorithm sees, hey, people are liking this gig, they're rating it 5 stars, we've got to promote this one as well. So that is also reviews and sales and traffic to your Fiverr gig. As I say, it's like a YouTube video. The more people that watch your video, the better, or the more comments, the more likes it gets, the better the algorithm promotes it. So in conclusion, the best way to get a better ranking on Fiverr is get people to purchase your gig through outside sources, such as social media. So in conclusion, or a quick review on this video, all you're going to do is you're going to come to Fiverr to create an ebook writing or an ebook cover gig, where Sqribble, the software, is going to do all of that for you. It's going to create your beautiful cover. You can see the whole bunch of demos. It's going to then create the instant content for you that you don't need to create. All you need to do is paste a link from a website based on the niche that you'd like to create an ebook on. So in my case, affiliate marketing was my example. Once it's done, you can then publish your ebook, which you can then start selling on Fiverr. And then to get better rankings on your Fiverr gig, you're going to use other sources such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, where you can do deals, offer free, your first sale for free, to get a lot of traffic and reviews on your Fiverr gig. And you want to get people to try and review and leave 5 stars on your Fiverr gig when they purchase it, to get it better in the rankings. And you'll find as your Fiverr gig gets more ranked over and over time, you're going to get more and more sales in that's going to be coming in passively. So that is basically the overview of this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I really think this is an awesome business model. Comment down below. As I say, what do you think of this? Are you going to give it a try? If you need help with getting started, I will help you out as well. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a notification or a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one, which is most likely coming out tomorrow. And also leave a like down on this video. I really appreciate it. If you could leave a like, let's try and get to 20 likes on this video. That will mean a lot to me. But yeah, if you guys, as I say, make sure you're ready for tomorrow's video. It's going to be another awesome one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.